How to find wallet address on Binance. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to look at a quick and easy way to find and copy your Binance wallet address. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is make sure to log into your Binance account and open up the app. So once you have your app open, on the bottom right side of your screen you can find the assets menu indicated by a small wallet icon. You need to go ahead and tap there and view all of your assets. Then, in order to find your wallet address, you need to choose a asset. So, for example, if you want wallet address for your Bitcoin, you can tap on the search icon right beside asset and then simply search for BTC or Bitcoin. Once you search for it, you can just go ahead and find and tap on Bitcoin. Then it will ask you to choose a preferred network. Once you select your network, you will easily find the QR code as your wallet address, and you can find the deposit address right below that as well. Copy icon right besides it, and then share it to whoever you want. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.